like how we can learn and derive stuff from trees and organisms, I believe that other organisms can derive benefit from other organisms. So kind of like it just infinitely kind of continues to break up into a bunch of different things.
Mm. There's always there's always a relationship.
Yeah. Yeah. You got anything else?
No, that's all I have.
Okay. Well, we actually got quite a lot done, and normally when you're doing something that you want to do, time flies. But it's like we got a lot of points. You got any finishing thoughts?
Uh, I don't know. I guess
Hmm?
I don't really know.
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that does it for now. We'll be back for another one. We'll be back here, Research Geographic.